Cash flow mortgage notes are the best kept secret in real estate investing. I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and I just want to share that with you because about 7 or 8 years ago, I learned about investing in mortgage notes. Since 1982, I've been investing in real estate traditionally, right? As a guy who flips houses and buys rentals, that's all I knew. But then when I discovered mortgages, I decided that I wanted to investigate it. And as I looked into it, I fell in love with it. Because frankly, I prefer to just get the cash flow from the real estate without being an owner of the real estate. And as a note investor, that's exactly what I do. You see, back in the day, what I would do is I'd go out and I'd buy a little rental house or a small apartment building, and then I would collect rent. And every time I collected rent, part of my job was to then take some of that rent to pay my mortgage payment, to pay for the plumber, electrician, to pay for maintenance or whatever. Now, I don't own the real estate anymore. Now I own only the mortgage on the real estate. And so as far as collecting payments, when I collect a payment, it's interest, and that's all income. It goes right into my pocket. A far, far better option for me than owning the real estate. It gives me freedom, it gives me cash flow, and it gives me a return that I can count on. And that's one of the things I really love about mortgage note investing. If you want to learn more about mortgage note investing, head on over to my website. It's called investbrilliantly.com, and I've got a lot of free information right there that you can take a look at and see if mortgage note investing might make sense for you to add into your investment portfolio. Again, I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor. God bless you, and I'll see you over at investbrilliantly.com.